All right, welcome back guys to High Hilltop. I thank y'all for tuning in. Today, as the title shows it, it's Sawmill Day. We're out here at Mom and Dad's place. He's got the LT15. We'll let him go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. He's got it looking real nice. Added some awesome features to it. We got the New Holland TN65 out here moving the logs around for us. We're gonna cut up some ash. We got a cherry log as well we might get to. But I hope y'all enjoy this. Stick around and leave a comment below of any questions or if y'all liked it or not. All right, hope you enjoy. All right, Dad, tell us a little bit about this sawmill here. How old is this thing?
Yeah, I was trying to think. I think it's 12 years old.
Daggone, you really went through it here recently, didn't you? What all did you do to it? It looks good.
We had it sitting out here. Of course, I had the power head to where I could take it off with a 3-point hitch. And I don't know, I just kind of lost interest in it because of it sitting outside. So I decided to buy the LT15 Go trailer package. And in the process, I went ahead and power washed it, and, sanded it all down, and resprayed everything. And I did put the DOT reflective stickers, even though the package gives you stickers to put on it. What else did I do? Oh, instead of, I opted out of the hand cranking winch. I just went ahead and put one of those little Harbor Freight 2,500 pound winches on it. And I've wired it in so I can actually get into the battery box. I've got another plug-in. So I have a cord in here that'll make up the difference so I can run the full length with the power head and power that winch at any time.
Nice, so you can use that winch then, I take it, to pull the logs up off the ramps onto
Yeah, instead of the hand crank, that way it's one of those little remote ones.
Yeah.
So actually you could be on the other side bumping it up. And I've noticed a couple guys, your log gets a little crooked if you got a cant hook. You could straighten it up while you're bumping it, you know. So
I'll be darned.
I haven't used it yet, so I can't tell you that it works.
Well, we might get the chance to try it out.
But I think the manual crank winch that you buy is rated for 2,500 pounds, so they're both rated at the same. And yeah, I've just never got to play with it as far as using that. And I put new sweeps on it, of course, a new paint job, new sweeps on the head. What else? Oh, I had to get a new water jug. It finally started leaking on me. And then I did move the valve here. We used to have it here, so you're reaching towards the blade.
Down near the blade.
Yeah, so I moved it up here to be a little safer. Oh, and I put me a trickle charger cord out here too, because this is a pain in the butt to remove the plate every time. So I can charge the battery, hook to it from the winch without ever taking the cover off.
That's slick, man.
Yeah, and then I mounted this is another little Harbor Freight special. I think there's 4 or 5 toolboxes in one. But I mounted it here, so that really makes it nice for these little pads and the wheel chalks. Keep a log measuring chart here, the remote, earplugs, pencil, of course a notepad, and inside I can use them to put my manual handle to do the jacking and all that. And I also added these little trailer levelers. Not so much to level it with it, but once you get it leveled, now you got a quick reference.
Make sure you're in check.
Yeah, and I got one on the back too, so I think that'll work out pretty good. But yeah, now I can put it inside and I don't have to worry about it being weathered all the time.
Okay, y'all, it took a little bit of time there, but that's the lumber we got from that log. I'll go ahead over here and show you the waste that we had. All right, so as you can see there, we tried to get as much of it out of the log as we could, and I think we did a pretty good job. Not much waste at all. All right, that's it for the first log. I believe it's about dinner time. We're gonna come back out here after that and finish some more up. Here's number 3. All right, well, I appreciate y'all tuning in. We're going to wrap up today's video. We got those logs sawed up. You're going to see the cherry log that we had. We didn't quite get to it yet, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for coming around. Leave a comment, subscribe if you're not already, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you next time on High Hilltops.